What we do here at AMEXCI in the innovation department is to support our customer to develop their additive manufacturing knowledge. So the first thing we do is to help them to understand a bit what are the main areas and the main concerns for additive manufacturing. In parallel, we try to detect several promising cases for additive manufacturing. Once they have been selected, we help them to develop their components to the validation step.
As a designer, I kind of work with challenging applications from a day-to-day basis. So from a customer standpoint, they come up with applications where they see the challenges with conventional manufacturing. So together with the innovation department, we screen the applications for the feasibility of additive manufacturing. If there is some value being added with additive manufacturing, then we share the know-how with the customers on the design front, like how this part could be remodified and redesigned for additive manufacturing.
The most important thing to think about when it comes to different material is to find a material that really suits your specific product. So as long as you have your requirements on your part, we can help you out in finding the correct material for your specific needs.
You are always faced with different challenges from customers, and then it's really by combining the ideas of different people that you come up with an innovative solution all together. And it's never set in stone what will come out in the end.
In order to ensure the quality of our materials and also our customers' products, we do tensile, impact and hardness testing, together with microstructural analysis in our light optical microscopes.
The greatest use of additive manufacturing for customers is that additive manufacturing can help them where they previously did not have a solution for. So whatever the customer problem is, their additive manufacturing can help.